he's going to speak in the Lok Sabha today, but you're coming, stepping outside. Is there any message or is
No, I don't want to listen to him. I mean, I have discussed, I have heard Constitution. There is a complete collapse of constitutional order. None other than the apex court, Supreme Court, said there is a complete breakdown of constitutional machinery in the state. So we had a discussion. There are many interesting points. I wanted to speak, but I didn't get an opportunity. I'll be writing an article on, because I have looked into these, how the constitution and the law has functioned in this country for almost 3 decades as a professional academics. I wanted to speak, but I didn't get the opportunity. But there were so many enlightening, very educative interventions from both sides, from the Treasury as well as opposition. It was heartening to see that we are discussing on the 75th year of our Constitution. But the fact that you have at the moment is a complete breakdown of constitutional machinery is any propriety that you talk about as rule of law, federal structures, democracies, justice, you name it, every basic features of the Constitution has been done away with in Manipur, and nobody seems to care, especially the government. And thankfully, members, lot of members, it is one of the heartwarming for me coming from that place to see many MPs, especially from our opposition bloc, spoke out for us. That gives you feel a sense of being part of the whole country. You don't feel. Initially, I was hurt with Prime Minister's silence. You must have seen my interviews in national media last year. Now I feel deeply offended. So I don't want to traumatize myself by listening to his speech, because after all, Prime Minister is the highest political executive of the country, and if he, his sense of contempt for the suffering of the state by not acting decisively on such a tragic moment, it has never happened in the last 75 years. So the best way is to have a peace of mind by not listening to him. If he mentions, then I'll listen to it if somebody will tell me. Let's see. Thank you so much.